The dentist. Chances are you don't always think of a good time. Tonight in the final part of a special health team report, Kimberly Adams has a look at one branch of dentistry that's making dental visits fun.
That's right.
Fun?
Before we start, I'm going to ask you to describe the dentist's offices you've been in.
Well, when I was a little youngster, I went to my uncle, but it was very painful because I had a lot of cavities, so the childhood memories are painful ones.
Mine too. And I think if the words sterile, cold, and frightening sum up your feelings about a dentist's office, the next 2 minutes might change your mind. There's a rather new specialization in dentistry today called pedodontics. It means simply dentistry for children, and it aims to make dental visits a lot of fun.
3-year-old Danny Lewis is visiting the dentist today for the first time. Within seconds, Danny's quiet, wide-eyed and uncertain perhaps, but not terrified. The secret? Constant, quiet talking.
I tell you what, after we get your teeth all shined up, then we'll come back and smile at her, okay? Show her all the bright teeth.
A pedodontic office is supposed to be non-threatening to children. Youngsters are given a tour and allowed to touch all the dentist's tools. They can play games while waiting for the dentist, and later can watch what the doctor is doing with their own little mirror. For the very young patients like Danny, the doctors take extra care to make the visit fun.
Where are his teeth? Where are your teeth? I bet he forgot to brush them. What do you think?
Everyone in this pedodontic office has had training in child psychology, something that really helps when a youngster is scared or uncooperative.
Did you bring all your teeth with you today?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look.
But perhaps the biggest difference between a pedodontist and a general dentist is the atmosphere of the office.
Their first view of the office is not something that looks like a dental office. It should look more like a fun place to be in. They see the clowns that blow up balloons. They see kind of a little village scene.
It also helps that dental work is less painful today, thanks to Novocaine gels and sprays that numb your mouth without needles.
Oh, good boy.
Noises can also be frightening, but Cindy helps keep Danny calm by calling this strange-looking tool her magic whistling toothbrush. And again, she never stops talking to her little patient. Dr. Rosen says that children who learn to like their dentists are more likely to take good care of their teeth and are less likely to avoid the dentist when they're adults. Looking at Danny, you know he's off to a good start.
He was a good boy. As you might expect, a pedodontist, like any specialist, is usually more expensive than a general dentist. An exam, cleaning, and fluoride treatment like Danny had costs about $28 at Pittsford Pedodontics. The same procedure at a number of area general dentists will cost about $24, or around 15% less.